Okay, in this video, I just want to look at a programming example to see how timers would work. So here on the screen, you can look at the code, and this is almost exactly the code that we use to blink our LEDs, right? So we have the data direction register, which is setting pin B5 as an output, and then we set that we output a 1 at that pin B5, and then we output a 1. Now, at this point, in this place, we had put a delay. We just had wrote delay millisecond 1000. But this time, I'm going to use the timer to actually get the delay. Okay. So to do that, the first thing that I've done is I have actually set something called the timer control register 1B, and I have uh, set these last three bits here to 101, and that gives us a prescaler of 1024. Okay, how did I know that I had to set it to 101 to get a prescaler of 1024? I looked at the datasheet and saw what controls that. Okay, and then what I've done is I have as soon as I set my port B to 1, so I make it high, I set my counter to 0, and then the counter is counting from 0 up, and I wait till the counter reaches 15625. And once it reaches 15625, it gets out of this loop. Okay, and that is approximately 1 second delay. And similarly, then what I do is I set the output to 0, so the pin becomes low, and then again I have a 1 second delay which is counted by the counter. Fairly straightforward, right? So let's run this and see what happens. So I start my simulation, and hopefully, yes, the LED is on for 1 second, off, on, off again, and on again. Hopefully that makes sense.